gas board if you want.
I'm not sure. Come around this way. Okay, what am I going to do?
See what I'm doing.
Yeah, I got mine under the safety glasses, so I can see.
Okay, so we're going to fire it up. Now this flame comes out about this far.
All right, then
Okay.
maybe I'll stand to the side.
Don, should I make a bigger hook than that?
That's fine.
Okay.
That's really cool.
It kind of looks like a crowbar.
No, what it actually is, it's called a wall hook. And what you do is you put 2 holes right in here and here, drill them. You can hang that to your wall. There you go. You got a hook hanger.
How about that, huh?
I did that
Neat.
earlier.
Yeah, it's pretty nifty.
And he just turned it just now.
Yep.
You can put your hand about right there and feel it.
That's hot. Yeah. Definitely hot.
Okay. Don will be taking this gentleman.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the piece you'll be working on.
Howdy, sir. My name's Salem. Nice to meet you, JP.
Leave it in there.
Here, you mind putting that up there? Okay, cool. So, this is called a coal forge. It's fueled by coal, which is all in here. Now, this is called a blower. The blower is over here, which is basically the RPM to a blower, which goes over here. That sucks in there, sending it down the pipe and up a little tube that goes up, a little vent that comes out right here. So all your centralized heat is going to be here. Now, when you're putting in the pieces, you're going to put them in horizontal. You're not going to put them down at an angle. You're going to put them flat. That way, if you put it in here in the middle, well, put it in the middle, burn the metal, because that's 28 degrees now. So you want to put it in this angle. Heat will rise up.
It'll take a while to heat up.
But today we're going to make it what I listen to. While that's heating.